Today I want to show you 3 super simple ways to hold your yarn while you crochet. Everyone has their favorite style, so take what works for you and feel free to get inspired by my way if it feels comfortable for you. The first method is a little bit more structured. I take the yarn in my right hand, wrap it around my left pinky, then lift it with my left index finger from underneath. I hold the yarn between my thumb and middle finger, and just like that, I can make a slip knot, insert my hook, and start crocheting comfortably. I will show you again. So, to your right hand, wrap it around the pinky, lift with my left index finger, and hold between my thumb and middle finger. That's it. The next 2 methods are really simple. I wrap the yarn twice around my index finger, just like this. 1, 2. I use this when my hands feel dry and the yarn slips a bit more. And the third method is the same idea, but I wrap the yarn only once. Perfect for those moments when I've just used hand cream and everything feels a little sticky. Dry hands, more wraps. Moist hands, fewer wraps. Super simple. And that's it. These are my go-to ways to hold my yarn. If you have your own favorite method, I'd love to hear it in the comments.